And we know that warm up is on the way, and that's when those busted pipes begin to happen. First Alert meteorologist Lauren Bostwick, I know you've been tracking those temperatures really closely, but even some of your cameras, you were saying, are starting to freeze over.
Yes, and one of them's actually below us. You can see it's frozen. This is the Fort Worth camera. It looks like we're standing on ice because, well, that camera is frozen. Well, it'll start to thaw out, especially as we move through the day today. And it'll start to thaw because we'll see a decent amount of sunshine in the atmosphere. So we'll start to see those road conditions get a little bit better, but they will remain slushy through the day today. As we move into tomorrow, black ice will form in the morning because everything will start to refreeze, and wind chill values could get into the negatives once again as well. So we still have a First Alert weather day in effect today and in effect for tomorrow morning. Why? Again, extreme cold warning is going to be in effect until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Wind chill values could get into the negatives here across North Texas. It's going to be a morning like what we saw this morning. I want to take you out to Denton. You can see 20 degrees. There's Dallas too, covered in snow and that sleet mixture. So everything's just icy as of right now. Current temperatures is 19 degrees outside of Fort Worth, 21 in Dallas, but the feels like value is in the teens and the single digits. As we move through the rest of the day today, temperatures will begin to climb. High temperature anticipated around that 4 p.m. hour at 29 degrees. But notice 22 is the highest our wind chill value will get to. It's because those winds will stay out from the north anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour. It'll make it feel much colder than the actual temperature is outside. I do want to talk about the high temperature today. It's 29 degrees, but we'll see lots of sunshine. This has the potential for either tying or breaking the record. That is the coldest low temperature, or coldest high temperature, I should say, that we've ever seen on this day. The previous record was set back in 1948 at 30 degrees. So if we are below 30 degrees, we will have broken a record for how cold the high temperature got today. Now, as we move into the day tomorrow, temperatures will be nice, crisp and cool again. The low temperature is expected to be in the teens, but of course with a little wind out from the north, it'll feel much colder than that. We have about 24 more hours until we get above that freezing line. So what that tells you is you need to make sure you're bundling up yourself and the kiddos as well as those fur babies as you head out the door to maybe go play or just hang out outside. Do whatever you're doing. Make sure you're still taking precautions. We're also monitoring freezing conditions that are still lingering in the forecast, which means you need to be dripping your faucets. Here's a look at some of the impacts we're still looking at for the next 24 hours. Anything from travel, power outages, frozen pipes to extreme cold. Please make sure, once again, you're taking precautions. I do want to go ahead and get you into the details on what we're seeing as well. Here across North Texas on the radar, we're continuing to monitor conditions across the area that are very sunny. We're continuing to see a lot of sunshine here across the region. We had a little bit of cloud cover that moved through, but again, that will be dissipating and we'll just see a mostly clear night ahead. A little cloud cover will start to build in the forecast as we move into your Tuesday, but again, temperatures will be on the incline. 40 degrees is the forecast high moving into Tuesday, so we'll see temperatures above the freezing line. That's when things really start to thaw out. It's just in the early mornings tomorrow and the next day when we're looking at black ice on the roadways, so please be careful.